All right, so y'all know what today is. Today is Sunday, and we're gonna go over 5 stocks on this Sunday. Let's get straight into it. Toll Brothers. I have an alert on Toll, so I definitely want to see what they do come Tuesday. Academy Sports, AutoZone. Who else do I see? GameStop, Dave and Buster's, Chewy, Oracle. Oracle is a big name reporting this week on Wednesday. Adobe as well. Adobe is like a $5 stock. Let's see. Who else do we have? ELVA. I want to say I have them on my thing. Let me see. Oops. I don't. I don't know who that is. Anyway, who else do we have? Broadcom, AVGO, AI chain. They are in the AI chain. AVGO reports this week. Lulu, Costco, RH. Is that? No, that's not Robinhood. That's all I see. AVGO, Oracle, Lulu, Adobe, GameStop, Costco. What is that? The top six. Top six. So very interesting. The Fed has announcements 2 o'clock on Wednesday. Regular Tuesday news, jobs, and regular Thursday. That's super regular Thursday. But the biggest is the Fed, and from what I'm sorry, I'm getting used to this cold weather. But anyway, y'all can hear it in my voice. But anyway, what I'm hearing is we shall be expecting a rate cut before the end of the year. How possible? What's the likelihood of them doing it? They know. We don't. But anyway, let's get into my new levels. I will probably most likely be tweaking these levels one of these days. But without further ado, SPY. With this rate cut talk, what I was thinking. Let me go to the weekly. Matter of fact, I should also. I'm forever gonna start on the weekly now. Boom. Let's see. Let's bring the 8 up. Boom. We're above the 8. We're above the 21. So we like that for bull. We're bullish. We're bullish. If rate do cut, if rates are cut, I'm guessing new all-time highs. Straight like that. New all-time highs. Fear and greed. We're at 40 now. And yeah. That's what I'm thinking. RSI on the weekly. We do have some slight divergence. Hold on. We do have slight divergence, but we just have to see. We would just have to see. If anything, we would have to see. That's it. That's it. We just gotta see and react. That's all we can do. We can't control the market, but that's what I'm thinking. Levels. I didn't even write down the level. Let's see. Let me just go to the 4-hour. Let's see. What would I want SPY to do? What would I want SPY to do? 683 bounce. That's it. 683 bounce. Nothing crazy. Because I believe if they do push it down that far, they'll do it. But let's just be patient and let's see what the market give us and snipe and shoot and keep going straight like that. QQQ. Tech has been really tech has been heavy recently in these past few weeks. What do I have for Qs? I say 630. Well, this level right in front of us, 628. 628 breaking hold. And we can see more upside. We can see upside into possibly new all-time highs. But Qs are a little behind on their all-time highs from SPY, if that makes sense. SPY is closer to all previous all-time highs than QQQ is. So that's it. Nothing out of the ordinary. RSI on the daily. Smooth RSI on the weekly. Interesting. Interesting. That's all. That's all. That's it. Interesting. We just gotta see. We just gotta see. But I am bullish. I mean, I am bullish above the 8 SMA off the weekly, and I will. I'll be changing some stuff up time and time again. Y'all see. But anyway, oh, above the 8 as well on the daily. But the 21 to 50 are looking like they're finna cross. So that's a good sign. Yeah, that's all I see. Let's get into this slight pullback. Apple. This slight pullback on Apple. Very interesting. All I'm looking for, we're gonna do it right now. Really, I'm looking for a 277 bounce. 277 bounce. I'm gonna just mark out these two levels. 277 bounce and push it to a new all-time high. That's all I have off the daily. It is slightly under the 8 SMA. One sec. Yeah, straight like that. Weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly with G's. But the 8, I don't have the cloud up, so yeah. But anyway, but the 8, and we just gotta see what happens at this level. This 277. Yeah, Apple gonna keep growing. It's very interesting. Also, Cunningham just told me something today. Literally, he said I'm on a daily. What was that J pattern? I know my chart looked like chicken scratch. I'm trying to figure out where that J pattern. I want to say it was right here, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and mark this out. Boom, right? 350, if I'm not mistaken. No. Okay, boom. Bear with me. Hold on. Let me cook. Boom. Right? I'm gonna bring it to the top. If it's 350, I'm not cherry picking. 320. A couple dollars off. A few dollars off. But I want to say no, I don't want to say this is the target. This is the target around 320. I'm gonna say 320, 350. I was expecting 350, but that's the target that Cunningham is watching, or Cunningham is predicting that Apple will go to. And yeah, that's interesting because I just seen this while I was getting ready to record, and yeah, straight like that. On to the next. Let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. It's not too late. It's not too late. I'm watching this. I am watching this. 222, right? I said 222. What, breaking hold or 215, 215 hold or retest on last week? Look where it's at now. I said 222 breaking hold. 222 definitely broke and it kept going. The price is at 230. Interesting. With these banks, let's go. What is it in? Let me just say this. It's not JS, CS. Oh my goodness. MS, I'm sorry. Morgan Stanley. Boom. Let's go to Morgan Stanley. Let's pull them up and then let me go. I'm gonna do it side by side right quick. A lot of these banks are just about doing the same thing. This off the weekly. Boom. Look at the RSI. These banks are just about doing the same thing. Yo. All right, give me 1 second. Boom. These banks are just about doing the same thing, right? What I'm thinking, let me go back to this. Boom. Let me take out this boulder. Boom. Ooh, boom. Hold on. I got sidetracked. I'm sorry. Boom. What I'm thinking, right? We can either bounce off 226 on Capital One. We can bounce off 226 on Capital One, and keep going and long into all-time highs, or we don't, or it just go. We get some consolidation. We get some consolidation. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Straight like that. Straight like that. That's what I'm thinking on Capital One. I'll be watching this just like how I'll be watching all my other ones as well. Let me go ahead and set my alert. Listen, I'm saying this for myself and I'm saying this for you as well. Whoever listens to this, whatever. Set your alerts. That's it. Set your alerts. That's it. Set your alerts. Because I missed. I should have hit 2 out of my 3 that I talked about. I'm pretty sure Spot went up as well. Spot did go up. So it really was 4 out of 5. But anyway, set your alerts. That's it. Set your alerts and take your chances. Use your stop loss. On to the next. Come on now. Listen, right? I'm still not filled on this. I feel like a pansy. I feel like a loser. Not really, but listen. I'm getting filled on this week. I'm getting filled on this week. I like this company for long term. I'm going to keep doing my research into this company for long term as well. Also, what I'm looking at, 78 bounce or 76 bounce. I'm getting filled like leaps, straight like that. Nothing more, nothing less. I possibly depends on how I'm feeling. I would post it on a thing on YouTube. What is it called? Whatever how you can post a picture and type. I think it's called post. But anyway, this is what I'm watching. This is what I'm watching for the week. Cooper Company Co. I put a lot of people onto Co. And I think this company will do well. Listen, right, boom. It rejected off the 200 off the weekly. But if you look at this candle, this is some type of news candle. Something good came out. It opened at 89 and dropped down to 81. So also the RSI is looking good as well. RSI is looking good off the daily. This is weekly. I'm sorry. Boom. If you do a little something like this, and then you come right here. Boom. Boom. Whoa, wait. Heck no, that ain't right. That is right. It is right, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to go like this. But anyway, I did it earlier. But anyway, the RSI is looking good. It's in the uptrend. Listen, I mess around just buy a Cooper Company hat just because I'm just so. That's how I feel. I'm very invested into this company, and I'm gonna get more invested into this company starting today. I'm starting my research today. But with that being said, also, I'm gonna leave out with this. The VIX is at 15, and yeah, that's it. The VIX at 15. It's at a good spot. Now I'm looking at it. If the VIX at 20 above 21, bye. Let me go ahead. If the VIX is at 20, 21, 18, go ahead and start buying. Like that's what I'm thinking. It's just like it has to make sense. Buy with conviction. Buy with like you at a level or like a red day or something along those lines, right? I'm saying that for myself, but I'm also saying that for whoever watches this as well. Whenever y'all listen to this. But I'm going to get out of here. I'm finna go make some more money. One day at a time. All glory to God. 1%. Straight like that.